Hello, welcome to the Wisdom English classes for the students of CBSE class 12. Today we are going to study letter writing. We will discuss both the formal and informal letters. Letter writing is an important topic in the English writing skills section for school students. Everyone must know how to write a letter. While writing a formal letter, one has to follow the format of letter writing. A formal letter can be written for various reasons. Here we have covered the format of a formal letter written for different purposes. On the other hand, an informal letter is written to one's friends, family, or relatives. As an informal letter is not an official letter, one does not have to follow the format of an informal letter strictly. Here we will discuss samples of letter writing. Formal letter format. Format of a formal letter includes the following points need to be taken into consideration while writing a formal letter. A formal letter strictly follows the prescribed format for writing a formal letter. Use of colloquial words, abbreviations, and slang language should be restricted while writing a formal letter. A formal letter must be precise and to the point. The subject line is very important in a formal letter. The format of a formal letter is as follows: sender's address. The address and contact details of the sender are written here. Include an email and phone number if required or if mentioned in the question. Second, date. The date is written below the sender's address after leaving one space or line. Third, receiver's address. The address of the recipient of the mail, the officer, it may be principal or editor. Number 4, the subject of the letter. The main purpose of the letter forms the subject. It must be written in one line. It must convey the matter for which the letter is written. And number 5, salutation, sir, respected sir or madam. Then body. The matter of the letter is written here. It is divided into 3 paragraphs as follows. Paragraph 1, introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. Paragraph 2, give detail of the matter. Paragraph 3, conclude by mentioning what you expect. For example, a solution to your problem, to highlight an issue in the newspaper, etc. Number 7, complimentary closing, sender's name, signature, and designation if any. And now the structure of a formal letter. You can see the structure of formal letter. It includes sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body of the letter, complimentary closing with sender's name, signature, and designation. Now let us see the types of formal letter. Letter to the editor, letter to the government, letter to the police, formal letter to the principal, order letter, complaint letter, inquiry letter, business letter, application letter for job, letter to the bank manager, invitation letter, resignation letter, leave application for marriage, leave application for maternity. So these are the types of formal letters you can write. And now let us see the informal letter, how to write informal letter. A letter written for an informal purpose is called an informal letter. It is written for a casual purpose. Let us discuss the types of an informal letter. Letter to parents, letter to siblings, informal letter to friends, letter to classmates, letter to neighbors. These are the types of informal letters. Now, informal letter format. The following points need to be followed while writing an informal letter. A. An informal letter does not strictly follow the prescribed format. B. The language of An informal letter must be friendly and casual. C. An informal letter can have extra information. D. The subject line is not required in an informal letter. The format of an informal letter is as follows. Number 1, address. The address of the sender is followed by that of the receiver. Number 2, date. The date is written below the address after leaving one line. Number 3, salutation, greeting, dear, hi, hello. Number 4, body. The matter of the letter is written here. It is divided into 3 paragraphs as follows. Paragraph 1, beginning. Paragraph 2, main content. Paragraph 3, ending. Sender's name and signature. Structure of informal letter. And you can see here the structure of formal letter. It begins with address, then after date, salutation, and body of the letter, and you can conclude with sender's name and signature. Now let us see sample letters. Here are some solved questions on letter writing. Number 1, write a letter to the mayor of your city seeking a solution to the problem of water logging in your area. You are Raj or Rani of Dharma Colony, Ramgarh. So this is the formal letter you have to write to the mayor of your city. So you can see here your address 14/8 Dharma Colony, Ramgarh, date 30th April 2020, and you are addressing to the mayor Ramgarh, and the subject is complaint regarding the problem of water logging in Dharma Colony. And here salutation, sir or madam. I am Raj, a resident of Dharma Colony. The residents of the area are facing a lot of problems due to water logging. Every year in the monsoon season, the area gets filled with water as the drainage system gets choked. We have requested the area committee many times, but the situation is still the same. The residents' lives have become miserable as many waterborne diseases have spread. All the houses are submerged and we are facing a tough time. Please consider the issue as seriously and find a solution at the earliest. Yours sincerely, Raj. So this was the sample of formal letter, and now let us see the informal letter sample. You are Garima or Gaurav. Write a letter to your friend Sanjana or Sanju, inviting him to your birthday party. Give details regarding the day, time, venue. Also add interesting details like theme, dress code, etc. So here you can begin with the address 45 Jan Marg, Delhi, 33 Khan Gali, Delhi. Date 30 April 2020. Dear Sanjana or Sanju, hi, you are invited to my birthday party on 25th May. The party will be at Arki's place, Nehru Park, from 4 to 7 p.m. As the party is based on a Spider-Man theme, please wear a dress in red-black colors combination. It will be fun as I have arranged a mask game, a Spidey wave game, and a never seen before neon light and music show. I am very excited as I will wear a special Spidey costume designed by my sister. Please come as it will be good to have your company. Also bring your brother Saurav. Waiting for your confirmation, Gaurav. Thank you. In next part, I will give you one solved examples of important types of formal letters that are important for your examination.